Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can generate 10 to 15 new mortgage leads per month. And it's not going to be through paid ads, it's not going to be through referrals, but it's going to be through a new system that no other mortgage broker is using right now. I like to call it instant AI mortgage advice. What you're going to do is you're going to offer free mortgage advice to leads in exchange for their name, number, and email. And you yourself is not going to be providing insight to leads and really giving that advice. AI is. Let me show you how you can set it up. Your only job is to get people to this landing page, whatever you call it. Get your free mortgage advice now. Start to get your mortgage questions answered. Let's take you one step closer to affording your dream home. What a lead is going to do from here is going to see free mortgage advice. Okay, I need help with my financial situation. Let me fill out this form. They're going to fill in their name, their email, and then we can add something in here like maybe their phone number or other details you'd need to go on with the loan process. So in this situation, I'll just click get advice. Now, as soon as they say get it, or as soon as they click get advice and you've received their name, number, email, it's going to send you a notification. But best of all, it's going to send them a link. Thanks for filling out the form. As promised, click down below to get your mortgage advice. Now, usually this link would be clickable. It's just something I got to figure out in the back end. But as soon as they click this link, they're going to land on this page right here. Technical difficulties, they're going to land on this page right here. We don't have to name it the mortgage advice bot. We can name it a human name. They don't have to know where they're chatting with AI because it's so human-like. But as soon as they land here, they're going to say start conversation. Hey there, I'm your AI mortgage advisor. I'm here to answer any questions you have and help you out with affording your dream home. Before we get started, I need some more information about you. What's your name? So Bear. You're looking to buy or refinance. Just gets a little bit more information about the lead that's actually coming in. What made you seek advice? And then what has been troubling you? From here, the lead's going to put in what concern they have and what or why they even seeked out for advice. You're going to say something like, I'm not sure what type of loan to get. And the boss is going to respond and it's kind of deal with it. It's okay, that's definitely something I can help you out with. Before I dive into details, let me know a little bit more about you. How is your credit? Now, if the person goes something like 800, 850, excellent, wonderful lead, bot's going to then take in response. They're going to say, based on what the credit is, based on what their concern is, I'm going to give them this piece of advice. And I'll show you how I actually set this up and how I built out the bot in the back end. But it goes, based on your credit score of 800 and 850, you may qualify for a conventional loan with a lower interest rate. It is important to understand the different loan structures available to you, such as fixed versus adjustable rate. Consider speaking with a qualified mortgage advisor to assess your eligibility needs. Don't forget to read up, blah, 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 whatever. Does this help? Yes, it helps. That's great. One of our lenders, this is an important part right here. It's in advance telling the lead that one of your employees, one of your workers, or one of your coworkers, or you yourself is going to be contacting that lead. So you're going to be contacting me, and it's giving me a heads up. And then it goes, until then, do you have any questions? Yes, I do. What is the difference between a conventional loan and a loan? And again, I'm going to show you how I built this out in the back end on VoiceFlow, what exactly the flow looks like, how it actually responds to these questions, and what the knowledge base actually looks like as well. But right now, it's just thinking. It's searching the knowledge base. What's the actual difference between conventional and FHA loan? It might be a little slow because of the video sharing platform I'm on, but from here, it answers the user question. It says conventional loan is a type of mortgage that is guaranteed or insured by the government, while an FHA loan, blah, blah, blah. Do you have any core questions? No. It was nice speaking to you. First name. Okay, cool. So what we got from this is it gave out the gave out the advice. So the lead got what they were looking for. Yes, that helped me. Cool, I'm happy, and I'm waiting for somebody from your brokerage to contact me. So what that's going to do is highly improve conversion rate and highly decrease abandoned loan rate. And there's different automations in the back end we can set up to decrease loan cycle rate in the future as well. Now let me show you how this bot was actually built. So this was built on VoiceFlow, and it's a really simple flow, really. It wasn't that complicated. It says, hey there, I'm your AI mortgage advisor. It goes through the thing. It goes, what's your name? It captures that, the next thing that the user inputs to name. I'm sure you guys know this already. If I'm going a little bit too fast, watch my other videos. I did a full, I built out a bot for a random mortgage brokerage, and then okay, what made you seek advice, blah, 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 before I dive into details. But the part I really wanted to get to was the actual prompting of the AI function, of the knowledge base for the response AI. So I said, based on if they want to buy or refinance, based on what the issue is, and based where their credit is, give advice to the user based on the information that you got, and make sure your response is no longer than 5 sentences. Make sure you space it out, doesn't look like a big block, and that advice you actually give is relatable to the user situation. So what that's going to ensure is that the user, they gave you their name, number, email. In exchange, they're getting advice, insightful advice from AI. So this is an infinite lead glitch. If you get enough people to hop on this landing page, you're getting a lot of leads. Let me tell you why. All this mortgage advice, all this insightful stuff came from this right here, just because they gave their name, number, email. And that's going to heavily enhance conversion rate, because remember, in here, we said one of our lenders will be contacting you soon, and we'll go into more details about your situation. It's going to heavily improve conversion rate. They're not going to go out there applying for more stuff. They might be, shopping around, but they're not going to go out there and apply for more stuff because they know they're expecting a call back from you. So that's an instant lead. You got it. Just because you set the system up, you're getting 10 to 15 new mortgage leads now, and then you can come back, like the video, subscribe, whatever. But the point I'm trying to get here is no big mortgage brokerage, no mortgage brokerage that I've seen has a landing page that says free mortgage advice, collect it, name, number, email, and that actually pairs up with a bot, blah, 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 automations. But the point I'm trying to get to here is no one uses this system, right? So if you want this system implemented to your mortgage brokerage and get 10 to 15 loans per month or leads per month, regardless of the financial situations today, I know the rates are high, then comment down below if this would be beneficial to your mortgage brokerage. And also in the description, I have a link where you can book a call with my team, and we can go from there. All right, thanks for watching. Hopefully this gave you some insight, value. Hopefully I gave you advice today. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like if you liked the video, and subscribe if you want to see more like this.